Onion, the king of kitchen seasonings. Hidden facts you should know. Hello, onion is often called the king of seasonings in the kitchen. It not only enhances the flavor of dishes, but is also known for its powerful natural antibacterial properties. However, chopping onions can make you cry, and eating them can leave you with some serious dragon breath. There are even rumors that onions can absorb disease-causing bacteria. So, what's the truth? Why do onions make you cry? When onion cells are damaged during cutting, they release sulfur-containing compounds. These compounds react with the moisture in your eyes, forming a mild sulfuric acid that causes irritation and tears. Tips to chop onions without crying. Chill the onion. First, place the onion in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes before cutting. The cold temperature slows down the release of the irritating sulfur compounds. Use a sharp knife. A dull knife crushes onion cells, releasing more irritating gas. A sharp knife makes clean cuts and minimizes gas release. Leave the root end until last. The root end contains the highest concentration of sulfur compounds. Slice from the top down and leave the root section intact until the very end. Already feeling the burn? Don't rub your eyes. Instead, open the freezer and briefly lean toward the cold air, or look toward a flame such as a gas stove or candle. Heat can help reduce sulfur compounds in the surrounding air. Raw or cooked, which is better? Raw onion. Great for heart health. Raw onions contain the highest levels of sulfur compounds and allicin-like substances, which may help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, fight inflammation. How to reduce the sharp taste for salads or serving alongside dishes like pho. Slice onions thinly and soak them in ice water with a little vinegar or lemon juice for 15 minutes. This reduces the pungency while making the onions crisp and refreshing. Cooked onion. Easier on digestion when cooked slowly, especially when sautéed. The natural sugars in onions caramelize and develop a rich sweetness. Quercetin, a powerful antioxidant found in onions, remains relatively stable during cooking. This means cooked onions still provide antioxidant benefits while being gentler on the digestive system. The myth: onions absorb bacteria like a magnet. Common rumor claims a cut onion left in the refrigerator absorbs all the bacteria and flu viruses in the air, making it extremely toxic. The truth: scientists have confirmed that this claim is false. While onions have natural antimicrobial properties, they do not attract or absorb bacteria and viruses like a magnet. Proper onion storage. Unpeeled onion. Store in a cool, dry, well-ventilated place. Never store onions next to potatoes. Moisture and gases released by potatoes can cause onions to spoil much faster, and vice versa. Cut onions so you can safely use leftover onions later, but they should be wrapped tightly in plastic wrap or stored in an airtight container. Keep them refrigerated and use within 2 to 3 days. If left uncovered, onions can transfer their strong odor to milk, butter, and other foods in the refrigerator. Potential side effects: dragon breath. The smell of onions can linger on your breath for hours. Quick fixes after eating onions: try chewing fresh parsley, chewing fresh mint leaves, eating a slice of apple, drinking lemon water. Natural acids and enzymes help neutralize sulfur compounds responsible for the odor. Bloating and onions contain fructans, a type of FODMAP carbohydrate that can cause bloating, gas, and digestive discomfort in some people, especially those with irritable bowel syndrome. If you are sensitive to onions but still want the flavor, try using the green tops of spring onion scallions, which are generally lower in FODMAPs.